The 832 comes in a wall and under cabinet model in 6 different sizes. To check out all the dimensions, make sure you reference the quick spec sheet. Underneath the hood is where you'll find the lights, filters, and blower. The 832 model has bright, energy-efficient LED lights. The 30 to 42 inch models have 2 lights, while the 48 to 60 inch models have 4 lights. This model has our beautiful baffle filters, which are durable and dishwasher safe. Underneath the baffle filters is where you'll find the blower. In the 30-inch models, you'll find a single blower with 1000 CFM. In all the other models, you'll find a powerful dual blower with 2000 CFM. The PLFW 832 features an LCD control panel. To power the hood on, press the power button on the far left to change between the 6 fan speeds. Use the plus and minus buttons on either side of the LCD screen. To turn on the lights, press the light button on the far right. Moving to the top of the hood, you'll find the vent outlets. In the 30-inch models, you'll find a single 8-inch outlet. The remaining sizes have a dual 8-inch outlet. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you learned a little bit more about the PLFW 832 model. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, you can visit our website or give us a call.